Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the spacebar button not working on your laptop or PC for Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to click on your Windows Start button over here. You can look for Settings and then go to Accessibility and then choose Keyboard. And for the Windows 10, you can just search for Ease of Access Keyboard Settings. So basically, you just need to go to the keyboard settings. Make sure sticky keys and filter keys are absolutely turned off, all right? So usually if you type a bunch of things on your keyboard randomly, this might automatically allow or turn them on. Once done, you can now close this. On the search bar again, go and type Device Manager. Left click on it. Then we need to locate keyboards. Double click on it to reveal more options and select your personal keyboard that you are using. So you can right click on it and then choose Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers once done, and it shows in here the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can close and you can right click again, update driver. This time browse my computer for drivers and then choose, let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. So for example, this is your keyboard. Just click on it, click next. Once done, close everything and then restart your PC. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is on your keyboard, you can press the escape button for about 20 seconds. And this should fix the spacebar issues on your Windows 10 or 11. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.